Hey guys, how's it going? This is Crazy Gamer Models. This is gonna be um addendum to part 7 of my JagdTiger build by Trumpeter, the 1/16 scale. This is just gonna be a quick addendum to the last video I just posted. I had been started building the engine and I said I wasn't gonna glue things on, and I have changed my mind where I have glued everything on that are in the steps, and I'll just go over that real quick here. Just go over this real quick. So I got all this done. All this has been glued up, and this whole page has been glued up, and everything's been glued on. So all these side pieces have been glued on. There is a decal that is supposed to go on here, and I believe I can still water slide that on. The reason I went ahead and glued this all together and not worried about the gray showing is because I have to go to the hobby store when my 1/16 scale nuts and bolts come in, and I'm going to pick up some Mr. Surfacer 1500 black, and then I'm just going to prime with that. So I'm going to prime the whole thing with that black, and I'm going to use that as my black, and then I'll paint, with the gray Panzer over that, or with the MIG colors. Probably the MIG colors is going to be what I choose. But that's just what I wanted to talk about. So I don't have a way of filming my airbrushing. If I come up with a way between now and then to film my airbrush, I will show me airbrushing the engine, the transmission that we have done so far, and the internal part that goes inside the transmission housing. And then I do have this right here. I did receive this. I'm not sure how accurate it's going to be. I did receive this. These are some little 1/16 scale resin nuts and bolts, as you can see there. I have these. I have also, like I said, I ordered from the hobby store. They were dirt cheap. Some other different size nuts and bolts, and I don't know what is going to look best on this cowling right here. So probably going to use these right here in the middle. These right here. This row of 10 or 12. So I know, and I can put 6 on each side. It's supposed to have 8 on each side, but this is the only one of these I was able to get. So I want to see what the other kit comes with before I do that. So I'm paused on that. I'm paused on waiting for me to get the Mr. Surfacer 1500 in black so I can prime the engine and the transmission. So at this time, there's going to be a pause on the JagdTiger build. It's not going to be for long. I'm getting the stuff this week. It is Wednesday, August the 7th. So I say by Friday or Saturday, I should have another build video up for this. But in the meantime, I am working on some other things. I had posted a video about the 1/32 Special Hobby Tempest Mark II. Well, there's a hold on that too. So I'm not able to start that, but I'm going ahead. I'm starting the Panther late edition with the photo etch. So hopefully I can have a video up of that tomorrow. It's just going to be a build log. It's not going to be a step-by-step build guide. It's just going to be a build log, but it will be a long series because I do have a lot of photo etch, and I will show all that off. Then I will also show my build strategy for it, whereas I've already built the JagdPanther, and I know what to look out for on the hull and drivetrain and things like that. So I'll address that in those videos. But that's going to do it for this quick addendum to part 7 of the JagdTiger build. We'll call it part 7A. Like, subscribe. There's still giveaways. Participate. Like, share the videos. Let me know in the comments that you're sharing the videos, and it'll put your name in for entry into the 2 giveaways for this build. There's also a MIG giveaway soon. I believe at 125 subscribers, I'll be doing a MIG giveaway. And then at every milestone of subscribers, then I will be doing giveaways of other things. I might even start doing some kit giveaways, some photo etch giveaways, things like that. But for Crazy Gamer Games, one more thing. I have started a Patreon page. I'm unable to work anymore due to medical issues with my neck, so I'm looking to have to get surgery soon. So I'm unable to work, so I had to set up a Patreon page. If you wish to help me, you can do that. I will still be trying to do content, but that's about all I can do. So if you want to do, the link will be in the description. I would greatly appreciate it. And as I build up Patreon people, I will be giving away stuff. I have a ton of Warhammer stuff that I'll be giving away figures, magnetized figures. They'll be unpainted, possibly primed, but they'll be assembled. They'll have magnets. They'll have different weapon options. And I have a ton of stuff to choose from. I'll be giving that stuff away. So that'll probably be to my Patreon subscribers if everybody signs up. I'll also, if people are interested, I'll give them away as prizes, for different giveaways for the different builds. So that'll do it for this. For Crazy Gamer Games and Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a great day.